everyone, myself Neha and I'm a clinical nutritionist and you're watching Diet Fit. So today I'm here to talk about these leaves and if you can see, you can recall these leaves. What are these? For those who can't recall its name, so they are curry leaves basically, and curry leaves are basically used for culinary purposes in our day-to-day food preparation and dishes. But I'm here to discuss about the medicinal values and benefits of these leaves. So curry leaves are also known as moringa, so which is its scientific name. So, if you start consuming curry leaves on a day-to-day basis, what are the benefits you can reap from it? So, let's discuss about all of these benefits. So, firstly, I would like to start about the benefit of sugar control or diabetes control. So, if you start consuming curry leaves on a daily basis, you can control your fluctuating blood sugar levels. And for people who are on the early stage of diabetes or who are already suffering from diabetes, if you are consuming it in a daily basis, either it's in the form of concoction or if you are having it in your salad, so you can control your blood sugar levels. Secondly, it is also helpful for weight loss. So, as I said, you can take it in the concoction form, or either you can use it in your salads, or if you are making a tea of the curry leaf, so it helps you in weight loss process as well, because it contain a carbazole compound which is alkaloid in nature, so which helps in promoting weight loss. So, curry leaves are also beneficial for people who are suffering from heart-related disorders. So, anyone who has a high triglycerides and cholesterol level can start using curry leaves for their day-to-day lifestyle to prevent themselves for further progressive heart-related diseases. The fourth important benefit of curry leaves is that it also helps you to prevent from any kind of digestion related issues, which includes your constipation, either it's diarrhea or any dysentery. So those who are facing any kind of any kind of digestion related issues can use curry leaves for their day-to-day eating habits. The fifth important benefit of curry leaves is that it also helps you to prevent from hair related issues, which involves your dandruff and premature graying also, and hair fall. So anyone who are facing these issues can use curry leaves and in their food and eatables. The sixth benefit of curry leaves that it is actually rich in vitamin C and iron, so it also helps you to give immunity and prevent from various viruses and bacterial infections as well. And the seventh, the important benefit of curry leaves is that it is also rich source of vitamin A. So those who have eye related disorders and those who have weakened eyesight can also use it as a juice into their lifestyle, so which also helps you to prevent or lower your eyesight number. And it also helps you to prevent the condition of cataract or lower down its chances for the occurrence of these eye related diseases. And people who are suffering from joint pain or any kind of body aches or body pain, so they can also include curry leaves into their lifestyle. So it has an anti-inflammatory nature as well, so it prevents from any kind of inflammation into your body. So for making the concoction or juice of curry leaves, what you can do is you can take 10 to 15 curry leaves and grind them with water, with 1 to 2 cups of water, and try to have this juice empty stomach in the morning, Or if you don't want to have the juice, you can make a concoction. So for that you can take 10 to 20 fresh curry leaves in the morning and give it to a boil up to 10 to 15 minutes, and then strain and have this water daily in the morning. So these two methods you can use to take best of its benefits, especially for the people who would like to lose weight or who would like to control sugar or any heart related diseases as well. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any related queries or questions related to this content, you can question below. And if you would like to have a customized diet plan, so you can ping on the number or you can call on the number flashing below. And please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much and take care of yourself.